Hey guys, welcome back to DelveStack. Today I'll be showing you how to comment on your own Instagram story. So to do this process, first things first is of course you could just simply open up the Instagram, and now if you haven't had any story, you should create one. So I'm gonna create a story over here from my gallery. So I'm just gonna take a picture straight out of my camera. And now, if you want to add a comment on your own Instagram story, you will have an option down below, add a caption. So here, when you tap on it, you should be able to provide a comment that you might want to consider. So for example, I'm gonna go for subscribe, and down below you could actually change the color, provide effects, and pretty much over here you can edit your text over here. So from here you should be able to add a comment on your story directly. Now another option that you could try once you have posted your story, I will show you. Just simply go ahead and tap on your story over here on your profile. And if you want to say something, as you can see down below, you will have an option say something. So tap on say something, and from here you should be able to add a comment, or you could even mention your friend. So let's say I'm gonna go for share and select send, and from here I should be able to comment on my own Instagram story. And when people see my story, they should be able to see their my own comment. And pretty much here you should be able to comment on your story.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.